I'm David.
And I'm Rachel.
And this is our new home. I think for us it was just that they could take us from the design phase right through to the finished product. And that took everything out of our hands of a step in between, finding a builder, Destination Living were able to take care of all of that for us.
Yeah, we looked at a lot of different places that could have built the house for us, but nothing that was truly what we wanted.
I think their style suited us as well. They were able to get our opinion on what we wanted, and then they were able to work with our ideas and come up with a concept that was ours. We've been afforded that opportunity to have lots of input, so we've really known what's going to be involved in the house the whole way. We've known it's going to turn out the way that we wanted it to.
Yeah, Destination Living, yeah, everything we wanted, they were able to incorporate and put it into a really good design that we're wrapped with.